right, and in today's video, we're gonna be introducing Lisa Finley. She's the winner of our 2020 Ramp Up. So just tell us a little bit about your experience.
It was hard, but it was obviously worth it. The results and the support from the whole gym was really awesome, and I enjoyed, working with Jazz and everything that I learned during the challenge.
Awesome. What were some of the things that you found, I guess, what was challenging for you about the whole process?
Learning macros. I really had to sit down and research and understand nutrition and what it meant to watch my carbs or be low on something and what I needed to eat to get what I needed for carbs but not go over on fat, or what I needed for a protein that didn't have any fat because I was over that, or something like that.
Awesome. Well, once again, congratulations, and
Thank
once
you.
again, don't stop this journey. This is just the beginning.
Of course not.
All right, everyone, you're next.